Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to work on transposition of formula, and we are going to make f the subject of this formula. That is, we are going to make f in terms of u and v. They have given to us 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. First, we are going to find the LCM of u and v. That is going to be uv 1 over f. This is equal to the LCM is uv. uv divided by u, we are going to have v. vu divided by v, we are going to have u. 1 over f, this is equal to v plus u over u v. Let us cross and multiply. F multiplied by v plus u, this is equal to uv. We need to make f the subject, so we are going to divide by v plus u both sides. So divide by v plus u, we'll divide by v plus u. We can simplify the left hand side. V plus u and v plus u, we can simplify it. We are going to remain with f. This is equal to uv over v plus u. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.